G'day folks, welcome to Moz Cooks. Today, apple and rhubarb pie. Okay, today I'm going to try something new. I've been baking apple pies, but I'm going to try a apple and rhubarb pie, and this is the first, so we'll see how it turns out. For starters, I've got 2 sheets of puff pastry thawing out, ready to be rolled, 1 20cm pie dish, 1 cup of plain flour, about a quarter of a cup of raw sugar, just under half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 Granny Smith apples, about a cup of washed diced rhubarb, 1 lemon, 50 grams of butter. We'll set the oven on fan bake and preheat that to 180 degrees. Now get yourself a bowl and mix flour, raw sugar and the cinnamon, and just mix it all in together with a spoon. Mix away. And set that aside. Now get your pie dish or pie pan. I like just sprinkling in a little bit of flour on the base. Although it's non-stick, I think the flour helps as well. So just a little bit. And set that aside. Okay, now I'm just, as you can see, I've started putting a little bit of flour on the cutting board. Make sure it's nicely even spread out. And on the rolling pin, okay. Get our first sheet, which is thawed out. Place it on the board and remove the backing paper. Okay. Put a little bit of flour on top. Up on the rolling pin. Okay. Pan down. Roll this out on the pan. Any holes doesn't really matter, we can fix them. Okay, put that aside for now. Put that in so it's all tucked in. And I'm no expert at this, I'll just make it up as I go along, eh? Okay, I'll fix that hole in a minute. See how I'll do that. What I'll do, a little bit of milk. Just a little bit of milk. Not too much. brush. Brush a little bit of milk around that. Cut off a little bit of excess pastry from here and do a patch job, just like patching a tyre in a car. It's going flat. Okay. Today. Okay, as you can see here, I've peeled and sliced all the apples. Didn't need to see that. I'm sure everyone knows how to do that. So I get the mixture that was made up earlier. And I start by sprinkling a little bit in the base, right round. And lay out the, I slice the apples. I prefer to slice them than dice them. Much easier. Put a layer of apples, or apple slices. And this is where it's all new to me. Got the rhubarb. Sprinkle a little bit of that through it. Some people suggest you could cook it, but I've had a look at a few recipes online, on the net, or YouTube. Basically don't cook it, just dice it. So giving it a go that way. Maybe a few more. More of the mixture. Nicely coated. Throw a bit of mixture on here. I'm making this up as I go along. As I said, it's the first time tried it. You do realise that if it doesn't turn out, I won't be posting it. So if you're seeing it, well, it worked. I think maybe 4 apples is a bit too many. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, probably 2, 4, 3. I'll probably use about 3.5 apples in this. Top it off, sprinkle this. Okay, didn't use all of that, that's alright. Now, lemon. Try and get the seeds out. Get them as we go along. Lemon juice. Butter. Just chop him up a little bit. And put this to one side for now. Our flavour, our flour, a little bit of spreading. Don't have to go go to the same extent as the last one, because this goes on top. Bring this little fella back. Now we get a bit of milk on the edges. Now let's lay this fella on top. There we go. Bit of a fork. And let's seal the edges. Where's our little knife? Disappeared on me. Here we go. Little knife. And let's trim off all this excess right round. Side. Okay, take our milk, give it a good brushing over, it'll help brown it up. We're going to have to put some holes in it just to relieve the pressure. You don't want it blowing up in the oven. Should be plenty. And it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, that's up to speed. Let's check the temperature. 180. Cool. Slip the pie in, set, and set the timer for 1 hour. And we'll come back at it and see how we go. There you go, that looks ready. Pull him out. Oh, it's looking good. I'll just put him over here on the bench to cool. So there you have it. I'll just cover him up and let it sit there to cool, and we'll check it out later. Well, there you go. What did you think about that? Hey, leave a comment below, let me know what your thoughts were. Yeah, and again, thanks for watching. By all means, usual stuff, share, like, subscribe if you're new, and if you are new, the subscription button is on down there in red, and next to it there's a bell. Please ring that bell, and that'll notify you whenever I put up other content on this channel. So, and by the way, yeah, it tasted great. So for now, cheers.